Hey guys, we're going to do a lesson today on punctuating dialogue. We learned in our last writing activity that our stories need to have a hook, something good in the beginning to draw the reader in, and that hook can be a sound, an action, a question, or dialogue. So today we're going to focus on the dialogue portion of that and how to punctuate that. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the punctuating dialogue video. And this is just a video to kind of teach you a little bit more about punctuating dialogue. Then you're going to go to your personal narrative notebook and you're going to go to page or slide 8. And here is our anchor chart we're going to use and put some examples of punctuating dialogue. So dialogue is the exact words that a character says. It's called dialogue. So when I'm talking about the word the tag at the end. So the tag is who said it at the end. Okay. Now I'm going to give you an example of a dialogue where the tag is at the end. Okay, ready? Exclamation. You're going to do quotation, y'all. Quotation marks around the exact words that the person said. The next person in line may step into the water. Now my sentence is not over because I have to know who said that. So I'm going to put a comma in quotations because these are the very words that they said. The lifeguard said, period. Okay, now here's another example. This is my favorite water slide. Now that was an exciting sentence. I'm going to put an exclamation mark there. And I have to close my quotation marks at the end. I exclaimed. I'll put a period in that. Okay, you can use that. You can copy these very ones that I did, or you can do your own in your personal narrative notebook. Next one is going to be a tag at the beginning. So the name of the person is going to be at the beginning. Name of who said it. Okay. Mom said. Now I'm going to put a comma because now I'm going to start with quotation marks and I'm going to say what Mom said. I'm nervous about going, down this water slide. I'm going to put a period because that's the end of that sentence. So remember my quotation marks are right, showing exactly what people say. Okay. Next one I'm going to say, I ask. What do I need to put there? Comma. Quotation marks. Have you been on this water slide before? I'm missing one thing. What am I missing? Ending quotes. Okay, so you can use this on yours as well if you like. To add any more examples if you don't want to. If you're good with these, that is just fine.